Electrostatic terms with SI units. Electrostatics deals with static electric charges. So let's start with the SI unit of electric charge, which is Coulomb. SI unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb or volt per meter. SI unit of electric dipole moment is Coulomb meter. SI unit of electric potential is volt. SI unit of potential difference is also volt. SI unit of electrostatic force is Newton. SI unit of electric flux is Newton meter square per Coulomb. SI unit of linear charge density is Coulomb per meter. SI unit of surface charge density is Coulomb per meter square. SI unit of volume charge density is Coulomb per meter cube. SI unit of capacitance is Farad. SI unit of energy stored is joule. Electrostatics is found in modern physics. SI units help in standard measurement globally. For such content, do like, share and subscribe my channel.